Hello friends, welcome to my channel Novatech Videos, and in this video what is aging and scavenging in DNS. So guys, this is very important to set aging and scavenging in DNS in order to clear your old stale records. So let me tell you what is aging and scavenging. So this is basically a service which support a mechanism for performing cleanup and removal of stale records, which can accumulate in zone data over time. It helps to maintain the dynamic DNS environment by regular deletion of stale records from the DNS database. Some problems associated with stale records are unnecessary space utilization, long zone transfer, wrong resolution of the client query due to the stale data, and accumulation of stale records on the DNS server can degrade its speed or the preference. These stale records problem can be resolved by aging and scavenging feature. But before creating aging and scavenging in DNS, there are some conditions which need to be followed, and those conditions are: the first is aging and scavenging feature must be enabled on DNS server and on the zone. So by default they are not enabled. The second condition, that is resource record, must be added dynamically to the zone or manually modified to be used in operations of aging and scavenging. So let's understand what is aging. So in aging, so this is a process of identifying stale records, and to identify the stale records it uses two intervals. The first interval, that is non-refresh interval, and the second interval, that is refresh interval. So let's understand what is non-refresh interval. So this is the time period in which the resource record cannot be refreshed. It can be used to reduce the replication traffic in this time period to avoid the replication of the same information again. So basically it means like the replication refresh interval will not take place if the duration in non-refresh interval based on the set value. Now let's understand what is refresh interval. So this is also the time period in which resource record can be refreshed. So here the resource records or the collecting of information of stale records, that process will start and collect the stale information. So you can define a limit in days for both aging non-refresh interval and refresh interval. Now let's talk about the scavenging. So as per the definition of scavenging is the process of removal and cleanup of stale records from the DNS zone. The stale records will be removed only if scavenging is enabled on the resource record, where the resource record exists and at least one DNS hosting where the primary copy of resource record exists. Scavenging can be set in three places: individual records. So you can have set scavenging on individual records, and also you can configure it on zone, or also you can configure it on server. So all in all, guys, this is the housekeeping of DNS server, and this is very mandatory. And if you have any large infra with the multiple domain controllers, so this becomes very important in that case to clear the stale records, because conflicting the records might create the problem in your infra. So hope you guys understood what is aging and scavenging, and in the next video how we will see how we can configure aging and scavenging and their intervals. Hope you guys liked the video, and thanks for watching.